Every year, student volunteers from the University of Technology march out into the communities beyond the confines of their campus. They are on a mission to develop the minds of the youth and raise their social and educational standard. Their target is youngsters aged 4 to 20 years in the St. Andrew communities of Augustown, Kintyre, Tavern, Highlight View, Sandy Park and Saunders.
It's a program which started from the UTech Students Union as a means of giving back, because we believe that tertiary students have a privilege, and in order to just share with others so that they can, aspire to come to university, that was the aim and the goal behind the whole Teach the Youth initiative.
This annual summer program provides a constructive way for youths in these marginalized communities to spend the long days of summer. From early July to late August each year, they all gather Mondays to Thursdays at selected centers. For about 6 hours each day, they are engaged in English, mathematics, information technology, personal development, and entrepreneurship lessons. This year, the participants also benefited from mentorship, remedial classes, and sports, among other holistic development activities.
For most of them, we take the time to teach them some basics that maybe they won't get in the classroom setting. And the program is actually free.
The teachers give us a better understanding of what to do, and everyone interacts with everyone.
Everyone tries to help each other, and we all try to be a better person at the end of the day.
The program has come a far way. Back when it started in 1999, only one community could be accommodated. Now, more than 800 young people from 6 communities are getting support to improve their lot in life. To ensure the young UTech volunteers can continue this worthy program, the Jamaica Information Service has been offering its support since 2013.
Volunteerism is such an important part of growing up, of taking your place in the nation. We need so many more young people like you, and we congratulate you, we applaud you for what you are doing.
JIS assisted with the communications needs of the program, as well as sponsorship and sourcing professionals for the empowerment sessions. For 2014, the initiative was driven by the theme, Seize Your Dream, Wake the Hero Within. Participants were pulled to reason on the dangerous habits that can prevent them from realizing their dreams. Habits like drinking, smoking, gambling, early sexual activity, and drug abuse.
Don't smoke!
While they were urged to resist those habits, the young people also benefited from powerful lessons on self-assurance and were encouraged to look beyond their present challenges.
Whoop people broke and still go school. Whoop people go school without lunch money, and them just quiet and them drink some water and them go through and them go home and them do well. Because you see, if you're broke, you don't have no money, that is when you need to go school. So that you don't spend your whole life broke. It's when it gets tough that you need to step up harder.
The UTech Teach the Youth program, volunteerism in action. Young people reaching out to other young people, giving them a hand so they too can realize their dreams.